Hello, this is Matt, and this is going to be a video all about disappointments, because a couple months ago I tried to melt some sterling silver, and these I'm actually happy with. These turned out pretty well. I video recorded myself making these beautiful ingots, and the video went too long apparently and shut down, and I didn't have any content, but I was actually making some progress. Even though these look terrible, it was still fun to watch the sterling silver melt. I cannot figure it out, guys. Either my torch isn't hot enough, because they look bright and shiny, and then they don't pour out of the little crucible, and they just turn to balls of, they look like rocks, but man, they are metal, and when you heat them up again, they shine. I'm going to figure this out eventually, but again, it's all about disappointment. So I don't have content to show me doing that. The next, I received a beautiful package today, and I can't show you what's inside. And that's what's so sad, because it's part of a bigger picture. But I wanted to at least give you a teaser, because this came from Silver Warrior. And what's in here is something that I'm going to tone, send back to him, and then he's going to unbox. And once he unboxes, I will release the video of me doing an official unboxing, plus the actual toning. So this is all starting from here. So I at least wanted to give you the view of the box that has, feels like a 5-ounce Aztec and another round and maybe something else that's mysterious. So this is the beginning. This is just a teaser. It's all about disappointment, disappointing product, disappointing I lost the content. And for you, I'm sorry, I can't reveal this until it's finished. I will see you guys very soon. I hope to do the work, send it back to Silver Warrior, and then when he unboxes, you'll see the whole story. So stay tuned, and see you guys next time.